Good morning to all. This is Ganesh. Today we are discussing about chemical equations based on problems. On C here, it is such a type of problems are very important in competitive exams as well as in 10th examination point of view. First we are discussing about first problem number 1. Once you have to observe. First one, the problems based on such type of problems. Here, first problem, 2 grams of hydrogen occupies 22.4 liters at STP, standard temperature and pressure. And 10 grams of hydrogen occupies how many liters of STP? Once here, so what we'll do? First, 2 grams of hydrogen they will give it in question, as well as 22.4 liters occupied at STP. So we have to do 10 grams of hydrogen occupy how many liters of at STP. So there is no value specific liters. That's why we are assuming or consider x. So here what we will do? Cross multiplication. 2 into x is equal 10 into 22.4. 2 into x is equal to 22.4 into 10. So here the x is multiplied off left side, go to right side is divisible. Here 22.4 into 10 is divided by 2. 2 1 2 5. The 5 is multiplied with 22.4. What will get? 112 liters. 112 liters. It is problem number 1. Same similar problem. Once go to the second problem. 2 grams of hydrogen, 1 mole of hydrogen contain 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 MA, means Avogadro number moles. So here Avogadro number, what is the importance of Avogadro number? Once listen here. The Avogadro number we can use calculate the molecules of number of atoms. So that's why we are using Avogadro number. So Avogadro, why we are use the Avogadro number? We can calculate the number of atoms in the molecules. See here, so 10 grams of hydrogen contain how many number of molecules of hydrogen we require. So here 2 grams 6.02 into 10 to the power of 22 moles. Then 10 grams how many moles we can find. So here there is no value, we are assuming x. So 2 into multiply with x is equal 10 into multiply with 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. Then 2x is equal to 10 into 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. Then x is equal to the 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 means we will get 5. So the 5 is multiplied with 6.02. That's why we are getting 30.10 into 10 to the power of 23. So we will remove the, here we have to write x is equal to 3.01. If it is right, the power will be changing. The 10 power 24 molecules. Have you understood? Okay. Next problem number 3. 73 grams of HCl to liberate 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Then 7.3 grams of HCl to liberate how much quantity of grams of carbon dioxide we can find. See here, so there is no random value, we are assuming x. 73, 44, 7.3, we require the value we can get here. From the, we are assuming x. 73 into x is equal 44 into 7.3. Then x is equal to 44 multiplied with 7.3 is divided by 73. We will remove the point, it will take 0. So 73 is divided by 730. So then we can write 44 is divided by 10. So we will write 4.4 grams. And the next problem, fourth one. 44 grams of carbon dioxide occupies 22.4 liter value at STP. Then 4.4 grams of carbon dioxide occupies how many liters of value of STP? See here, 44 is related value 22.4 liters. Then 4.4 grams, how many liters we are finding? So that's why there is no none of value, we are assuming x. So here 44 into x is equal 4.4 into 22.4. So then x is equal to the left side of value multiply with x, go to the right side, it is divisible. So 4.4 is divided by 44 is nothing but 44. Here we will remove that, it will take 1 0. 44 1 the 44 10 the. So then, so 22.4 is divided by 10. So denominator value is 10. So we have to write the complete value 2.24. Then we take if it is the denominator 10, we have to, the decimal will go to in front of a digit. That's why 2.24 liters. And final one, 44 grams of carbon dioxide contain 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 moles of carbon dioxide. It is the value of Avogadro number. Why we are use Avogadro number? It is a calculate, we can calculate in a molecules how many number of atoms we have to use this Avogadro number. 44.4 grams of carbon dioxide contains how many moles of carbon dioxide? So here 44 related value 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So 4.4 we require how many moles of carbon dioxide we require. That's why there is no value we can consider x. Cross multiplication 44 into x is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 4.4. So then x is equal to the left side value 44 is divisible by right side of 4.4. See here, we will remove this point, it will take 0, 44 1 the 44 10. So here 23, here 10. So 10 will be cancelled. So numerator will be have 10 power 23. Remaining values as t. Similarly as well as. Finally we got x is equal to 0.23 into 10 to the power of 22. Thank you.